Hi, Kim Susie here. Today I want to show you how to send emails for net free. So what do I mean by that? Well, when you pay for an email autoresponder, it's a tool you really need for your business. And of course it's tax deductible, it's a business deduction. But when a tool pays you, then you're really not paying for it. So, monthly I pay for GetResponse as an autoresponder to send our emails. But they also send checks to us every month too for referring others. So my husband Kevin has an affiliate account with them and he gets checks on a residual basis. So the net effect is we're not really paying for our autoresponder. The tool's paying us because they're sending us checks more than what we pay them. But in addition to that, there's another way you can get a credit for referring friends to GetResponse. So either way, whether you're an affiliate or you're referring friends, then you're going to get paid by GetResponse. And so it's like you're sending your emails for free. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here on their website, I'm going to click log in. Log into my account. Okay, and if you wanted to create a residual income where they're sending you checks on a regular basis to offset the cost you're paying for your autoresponder, you would click over here and see where it says, hover over here where it says my account, click on that, and then click on affiliate program right there. Recommend GetResponse and get paid for it. So you get 33% commissions every time someone buys GetResponse via your link, and they pay you every month for as long as that person stays a customer with GetResponse. So you would sign up here for their affiliate program, and then you get recurring commissions every month. See, monthly payouts. And it is free. They don't charge you anything to be an affiliate. So you can go through these FAQ questions. So you could sign up there and start getting monthly checks to offset the cost of your autoresponder. You have another option though also. I'm going to click back. And see on this screen, if you scroll down on the left, get more for sharing. Click on learn more. Invite friends to GetResponse. For every friend who joins GetResponse as a paid customer, you will both receive a $30 credit. So this is just a different way of getting paid from GetResponse. Instead of becoming an affiliate, like my husband Kevin's an affiliate, he gets the checks every month. But I noticed this and I thought, well, I can get a $30 credit right up front against our bill. I'm going to try that out. But here's what you do. See, want to invite more friends? Here's your $30 link. So just click here on copy. See, link copied to clipboard. And then you can use that link in your emails that you send out. So I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm going to click over here and then click on email marketing and my templates. And I'm going to choose a template that I've been using. So this template right here is my main one. I'm going to click on that. And this text here is a placeholder that I use in this template. So I will delete that and put in whatever I'm going to send with the current email. And I want to make a text box down here at the bottom about GetResponse. So what I want to do is go over here and click on text and just drag it. And I want to put right there. And if I had a PS, I would make it below the PS. I sent this message with get response. Try it free. Don't want to use the word free, it might go to a spam traps or a spam filter. So try it for 30 days at no cost. Okay, I'm just gonna highlight that and then put my link. I'm gonna do Control V, put my link there, my invited friend link, or if you're an affiliate, then you would put your affiliate link and then click insert. So there it is, but I don't want this right. I want it spaced down. So I'm going to hit enter a couple of times. Okay. So that's good. So I've got it in there below my email. I don't want it up too high because I don't want to take away from the call to action I'm going to have in the email. But I just want it down here. So that's it. So now when I use this template, this is already there and I won't have to set it up again. And just click save and exit. So there you go. When I send out emails, some people are gonna click on that and take the free trial, and then when they pay, I'll get a $30 credit against my bill. Or if you're doing the affiliate program, you can put your affiliate link there and start building residual income where they're paying you. So make it a great day.